It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are doing some jelly tips, okay? These came from Double Dip. If you missed my huge Double Dip haul, definitely check that video out. So I'm using my Mia Secret Dehydrator and Primer. Now, right off the bat, I'm just gonna tell y'all, okay? It's a lot of things that I know now that I should have done differently, and during the process I felt like I should have done certain things, but y'all know I like to experiment and just see what's gonna happen. So in this video you're gonna see what I did and what happened, and I'm gonna tell you guys how to improve your method, how to improve your adhesion, and all those kind of things. So the first thing I did, I went in with some of the builder gel. Now I ordered the builder gel and the base from Double Dip. It's the same, company as the product for the jelly tips and all of that. So I basically got the little system. The jelly tips that I'm using in this video are the square tips, and I'm using the Beetles lamp. So I have seen people apply the jelly tips by taking their drill bit and roughing up the inside of the tip. And I wanted to see if you absolutely had to do that, because that's just another step. And if you're trying to, get your nails on quick, I wanted to see if that could be a step that could be skipped. So I apply a layer of builder gel first, then I apply some of that builder gel inside of the tip and then put it on. I really like the shape of these tips. They came out super cute. I always do coffin, and since I did the coffin with the Beetles tips, I decided to try the square and the jelly tips. And with the plastic tips, you don't have to rough up the inside of the nail. But on these, if you want them to last like super long, I would definitely recommend to rough up the inside of the tip. So I keep a big lamp out as well, so that after I have them flash cured, I can put my hand in the big lamp to make sure that everything else is cured. Also, when you press the tip down, if a little of the product spills out, all you have to do is just flash cure it for about a few seconds and then peel off the gel that kind of spilled out. So some things that I would do differently already at this step I think I would use the gel base instead of the builder gel. The builder gel was a little difficult to get off when I took these off. So I think I would use this builder gel if I wanted to like do some nails that I don't want to take off. Like if I want to just keep those on and do some peel base to do like a couple of different looks. Like, you know how when you dip your nails, how you might want to go in with some peel base and some builder gel and some peel base, and then constantly do different dip designs on top of that. That's what I would use the builder gel for. I wouldn't use the builder gel to put these on. The next time, I think I want to try the Beetles glue gel with the jelly tips. I want to see how that works out because it works great with the plastic tips. So I'll probably try that with these the next time. So as you can see, the process is very quick and easy. You can do both hands in little to no time. So this is how they look right after you apply them. Then of course, if you want to apply some nail polish or something on top, like a gel polish, you will have to buff the surface. So I'm going to do all of that. And under the nail, I can see some of the builder gel kind of like seeped out toward the tip, kind of like when you apply a dual form, how you apply the product inside of the dual form and put it on your nail, and you can get like an extension that way. That's what virtually happened with these tips. So you see one of them popped off, and I got the builder gel again, put some in there. I roughened up the nail and just popped it on there like that. So one thing I noticed, virtually all of these popped off, and to take them off, I just popped them off, and I still have them for like a press-on set. So one thing I noticed when they popped off, the builder gel that had extended out over the tip, it was basically kind of like a dual form. So if you have some jelly tips, you can use them as dual forms. I have seen people use the plastic tips as dual forms, but you can actually use these as that as well. So that's one thing that I found out by not roughing up the surface, and because they popped off so easily, I have this whole set as press-ons that I can apply, you know, whenever I want to. So with trying this out, it was kind of a fail if you want your nails to last, but I'm glad I did it because, you know, I have some cute press-ons, some cute jelly, you know, press-on nails. So I'm going to show you that when they popped off, I'm going to show you how I put them back on. The way I put them back on made them last a little bit longer, and that's a method that you guys can use as well that worked really good for me. So we're going to get to that in a second. But here I'm putting some of that gel underneath because I saw how the gel kind of seeped toward the tip. And it was kind of cool because when I popped these off, it was like I had little extensions from when I put that gel up under there. So I honestly just wore that for a while. I put some of that jelly polish on top of it, like a little jelly pink color, to kind of mimic a nail bed, and I just wore them like that for a while. But I am going to show you guys the design that I did. The video of me actually doing the design will be available soon, so definitely check that video out. If it's already out when you're watching this, of course I will have it in the cards. So this is the design that I did. I used some Beetles foils, so if you want to see my review and see how that worked out for me, then definitely watch that video. So now let's talk about what I did when they popped off. So if you don't want to pull your gel and your lamp out, this is what I did. If you have some dip liquids, all you need is your dip base and your dip activator. So I went on the nail with some of the dip base, and I put some of the dip activator inside of the tip, and I pressed it on my nail, and it was on there, y'all. When I tell y'all it was on there. So this is an alternative to apply your press-ons if you feel like the traditional glue does not work for you, or if you don't have any gel at home and you want to apply some of the plastic tips and kind of have that, a prey dupe feel, use your dip liquids. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of fail, not fail, how to make press-ons, new method for applying tips and everything that I show in this video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.